Yadi, YADDI. Check it out, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, I'm there. You know I got a freestyle called Go Get It. Say big up Yard, man. Big up Brad, man. Yeah. I gotta go to the dough and smiling bro when I'm looking for the mo. Keep it like a crow so they can't stop my flow. Plus you know I rock it ill and colder than the snow. We don't talk to the feds, oh no no. Only for the bands though with the low pro. Stack it, pocket like it, you know it gotta grow. Gotta take it like a rocket. Torpedo. Can't take it suffer no more. Fighting in Jamaica as the day go. Grinding hard for the sound with the zero. The Shearer, the Franklin, the Pony Euro. Gotta love Nanny cause she my hero. Big up real so I call it the Euro. Big up real so a nigga with the P-Rock. Cause we ain't staying broke around the contraband though. So I gotta go get it. Gotta go get it. Man want the money. Gotta go get it. Gotta go get it. Yeah, I'm about the bank roll. Gotta go get it. Gotta go get it. Ain't no ease with the cheese when I'm on it for the cheese. Keep it cool like the breeze, keep on in the bees. Cause money is a combination to a comfortable life, a better situation. It is time wasting but then my motivation, inspiration. Got me climbing with no hesitation. This cool but I didn't got the education. So to my dream with no so to my dream with no hesitation. So to my dream put all the dedication. Ooh.